Train coming over here, folks. Might kill me here. Fuck it. Cool, this is new self-serve car wash, folks. Orange car wash, touchless and auto. There's a train right there, folks. Train right there, folks. See that? All the way over there, folks. $50 million, boys. You gotta buy the tickets. Buy tickets. You gotta go this way here. Waiting for the train. Everybody waiting for the train, folks. But not I, said the blind man. Oh yeah, here's a train here. Here's some dude here too waiting for a train. Are you waiting for the train? Right on, man.
I feel like pizza here. You guys an electric bike?
Alright, over there, boys. This is the caboose. I mean the engine. This is half the train, folks. The whole train way the fuck down there.
That must have been the midway point, that engine there.
That is. Look, we got no dope. I do.
Spark it up right now.
Okay. Okay, boys and girls. Hoot time right there. Yeah, well. He's clopping right up there.
Richardson Road.
Anyways, folks, peace out.